This is going to be a video tutorial on how to always retain your previous session tabs in the Floorp web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Floorp web browser opened up now. To set your browser to automatically retain the previous session tabs, I have 3 tabs open right now. When I close my browser, I have my browser set that when I reopen it, these 3 tabs will reopen again. The way to do that, you want to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the pane off to the left hand side, I am on the General tab. And the first thing up here, Startup. In the Startup area, the first thing down, Open Previous Windows and Tabs. If this box is checked, you will retain your previous session tabs. If it is not checked, it will not open your previous session tabs. That is how to enable or disable your previous session tabs in the Floorp web browser. Thanks for watching.